How to adjust image opacity in Figma. So let's get started. First, select the image you want to adjust. Make sure it's highlighted in your design. So let's select this image over here. Next, head over to the design panel on the right. Here you'll find the opacity option over here. And right now it's in 100%. But what you can do is you can simply tap into this and put it whatever number you want. Like before it was 100, we wanna put it up to maybe 50 and hit enter. And now you can see the changes has been made. The opacity is has decreased by 50%, as I just wrote it over there. And that's it. Your image is now adjusted to your desired opacity, perfect for creating overlays or blending images. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Figma tips. Thank you for watching and happy designing.